just remember to absorb the information from your policyholder. Always make sure you're putting that in their profile directly. Don't take notes on a piece of paper, and don't take notes in, private information, driver's license numbers, dates of birth. You don't want to hold those anywhere except for their profile. So creating that profile in advance is great. If you are at an agent's office that allows you to email out to ask for declaration pages, that's probably going to be your best bet. Grab your declaration pages, your driver's license numbers, and gather all the information. That way, if it's in your email, one, it's time-stamped. And two, most of the time, most systems will allow you to take that email and save it directly into their profile. So it's an automatic link there. But however it is that you collect the info, make sure it is held safely. That's the big takeaway there.